Hey there, my name is Margaret. Welcome to our channel, Homeschool Honey. We went down to Moody Gardens in Galveston, Texas to check out the Arapaima for my kid's birthday. I'm going to give a few facts about the Arapaima because we did sit and talk to one of the keepers, and one of the things she told us wasn't quite accurate, so I want to make sure that I correct that before we get into it much further. So Arapaima are from the Amazon River down in the rainforest in Brazil. And the fact I wanted to correct is we asked about why he came up and gulped air from the surface, and she said he primarily got air through his gills. But as we read up more on the Arapaima, we learned that it does indeed have to come up and surface every 5 to 15 minutes to gulp air from the surface. And another cool fact that we learned was that Arapaima are mouth brooders, meaning they keep eggs and small fry baby fish in their mouths to help protect them from predators. Before we get started, go down there and hit that thumbs up and leave us a comment and let us know what your favorite fact about Arapaima are, because we're loving to learn all about Arapaima.
Here comes Arapaima.
Oh my gosh, the length around him is so big. Come on here and see it.
I'm videotaping him. Scoot back, I don't want him to eat you. He's coming up this mountain. I'm not even joking. Scoot back.
What do you mean?
Look at that face. Look, he's coming to say happy birthday. He knows you're here to see him.
Look at that body. Look at those eyes. It's like a volcano.
Hi, how are y'all doing?
I have a fish turtle like him.
What?
I have a fish turtle like him.
Yeah. A little bit smaller though?
Yeah.
Yes.
It gets a foot long. Well, it weighs...
Is it dark with red on it?
No.
No. What does it look like?
It's called a dinosaur bashir. It doesn't have like that big hump
Michael, watch
kind
out.
of thing. It's just sort of streamlined. Like it gets a foot long.
Okay. That's still a big fish.
Yeah. But see on the top of its mouth those little things poking up?
Yeah.
It sort of has those, but like not as big, but sort of like going lower. Yeah. And like, but
What's the name of the fish? Do you know?
it's called a dinosaur bashir.
Dinosaur fish. Yeah, I haven't heard of that.
I want to
I'll
say
have to look it up.
I want to say it's in the family though.
I told you you'd have to look at the classification of it.
The tail isn't the same.
Yeah. How do you spell Bashir? So that when I look it up. B-I-C-H-I-R.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question? Sure. Is that a piranha? That big one?
It's related to a piranha. It's called a black-belly pacu. But yeah, it's cousins with the piranha. And then there's also a red-belly pacu in there. He's back there, you see him? So they're all cousins. We have piranhas just around the corner too.
Hey, Mom.
There he is. He came back to see you. So big, right?
Yeah. And how long is he?
About 8 feet.
How many years?
220 pounds.
How many years did it live?
That's a good question. I don't know that one. I'll have to look it up.
But yeah, I just thought it was
You gotta live a long time to get that big.
I just can't shoot that. There he is.
Oh!
What did he just do?
He gulped some air. Can they breathe air as well? Like out of the... I'm not sure. I think most of it they just get from passing water through their gills. Yeah.
Why do they have like red color?
Oh. Well, maybe he'll circle around. Maybe he'll come around and say bye before we go.
Look how big he is. He's like right there and his body's in the tail. Look how big he is.
Trying to get a good shot of him for you. Wants to give you one more good look.
Yeah. This is what he did to me, but he got straight up at me and much closer than that.
Oh yeah?
Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Go down there and leave us a comment and let us know a fact that you learned about Arapaima to share with everybody. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.